Hello busy people, how are you? Guess where we are? Parrot Mountain! Wow, lot of parrots are there. Here Tanvi is giving some poses with the parrots.
And also with my daddy.
Daddy also? Yes. Wow, look.
Look
Look at the parrot, how cute it is. So nice. How colorful. It's dancing. Tanvi, right?
Right?
Yes. Tanvi is waving his hand to the parrot. Wow. Here that look at
Cute little parrot.
Tanvi is feeding to the parrot.
It's
Mommy
so
is telling how to feed the parrot.
It's so cute.
Hey, look at that yellow parrot. It's sleeping, Tanvi. Right?
Yes, sleeping.
Here, Tanvi is trying to feed the parrot. Is it successful? Yay! It successfully feed the parrot, right, Tanvi? Ah, Daddy is trying to feed another big parrot.
Ooh, colorful one.
Yes, it's so good, right? It's talking with Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm trying to feed the parrot. I can't reach.
Yes, you are making a parrot mad. Wow! Daddy and you both are holding one parrot, right?
Yes.
Oh, here Mommy is trying to feed that sleeping parrot. The parrot is sleepy.
Sleepy lazy. I feed the one there, but a big one, but the other one said he also wants one, so I also go him a big one.
Wow, very good.
Oh my God! The parrot bites you.
Did you cry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you are crying. Wow, so much of parrots, right, Tanvi? That day so cute. That day we enjoyed a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many parrots you hold that day?
Three in one.
3 in one time. Wow, very good, Tanvi.
But we can only hold one at a time.
But why you hold 3? So good, right? Daddy is trying to hold the parrots, right? What you are talking with that parrot, Tanvi?
I'm telling it.
No worry.
I'm telling it. Can you get on, please, cute parrot?
Oh, you are dancing like a parrot?
Yeah.
Trying?
Oh, look at this.
That parrot is here. He is feeding the parrot.
They're
Right?
very, very
Small babies. He is feeding the parrot some cereal or something. Here, look at the Daddy is holding big parrot and
Yeah.
It's like it's moving to Daddy's neck.
Yeah. Hello, Chips. Hey, can you say hello? Say hello.
Dance. Don't be angry.
Scared, I guess.
Don't be angry.
Subscribe our channel.
Thank you for watching.